going to do the instructional for Dance the Night Away. This song was created by me, Chocolate Platinum. The music is by Ardoin. Hope you enjoy it. I'm going to turn backwards and I'm going to give you the steps. Starts off, you're going to pivot. So now, let this be the 6 o'clock wall. No, let this be the 12 o'clock wall. You're going to pivot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you at the 6 o'clock wall. I got to get back around there. Left foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First step. Sissy up, sissy back. Sissy up, sissy back. Right, left, back, right, left, up, right, left, back, right, left. Now you're going to wobble to the right. Wobble. Wobble. Now you're going to repeat that sissy up, sissy back. Starting with your left foot. Sissy up, sissy back. Sissy up, sissy back. Wobble. Wobble. I'm going to do it from the front so you can see what I'm doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, next step. You're going to start off with sailor. Sailor, sailor, kick, kick. Do it again. Sailor, sailor, kick, kick. 4 sailors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting with the sailor part. On the right leg. Sailor, sailor, kick, kick. Sailor, sailor, kick, kick. 4 sailors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm showing you the steps that are in the dance. Okay, we're going to go to the next part. Sissy up, sissy back. Sissy up, sissy back. Wobble and strike a pose. And sissy up, sissy back. Sissy up, sissy back. Wobble. Wobble. Sissy up, sissy back. Sissy up, sissy back. Wobble. And strike a pose. And sissy up, sissy back. Sissy up, sissy back. Wobble. Wobble. 4 sailors. Sailor, sailor. Kick, kick. Repeating it. Sailor, sailor. Kick, kick. 4 sailors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So those parts, they remain the same. I'll do it from the back. From the sailor. Sailor, sailor. Kick, kick. Sailor, sailor. Kick, kick. 4 sailors. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do that wobble where I strike a pose. Sissy up, sissy back. Sissy up, sissy back. Wobble and strike a pose. And sissy up, sissy back. Sissy up, back. Wobble, wobble. The next part, it starts again, but this is the part where you say look left to right. All right. But it starts with the sailor. going to do it, well, we're going to be looking left to right. Okay, so it's sailor, 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 sailor. No, it's not. Sailor, sailor. Left, right, sailor, sailor, kick, kick for sailors. 1, 2, 3, 4, walk up. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to repeat these steps a few times. Now I'm going to give you the crossover part. With your right foot, cross right over left with a triple step, left over right, triple step, kick right, left, 2 right, left, right, out, in. You're going to do the same thing with the left. Cross left over right, triple step, right over left, triple step, back, kick, kick, 2 left, kick, kick, out, in. So let's do that from the front. This is the crossover part. Cross with a cha-cha-cha cross. Cha-cha kick. Left, right, 2 right, left, right, out, in. Now you're going to cross over. Left over right, triple step. Right over left, triple step. Going back, kick, kick, 2 left, kick, kick, out, in. Now you get to have fun. You get to do that weave. I'm going to do it from the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, twist, 7, 8. Hey, I know you like that step because I like it. All right, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, twist, twist. Now, step over 3, 4, 5, 6, twist, twist. Okay? Let's do it going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, twist, twist. Let's do it from the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, twist, twist. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, twist, twist. Now we get to have fun. We're gonna move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, and 3, and 4. Now, pretty girl. Out, in, out, in. One more step that you guys have to learn for this dance. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Up, back, up, back, twist, turn, turn. Let's try it again. That's going to be all the steps in the dance. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go up, back, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, turn, 3, 4. Those are all the dance steps. Now you have to learn the dance. Okay? I'm going to put on the music, and in the next video, you'll see us doing the dance. Thank you. I hope you enjoy it. Dance the Night Away, Platinum. Music by my friend Sean back in Louisiana. This is Zydeco. Thank you.